The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 51 artillery units at their firing positions, as well as 178 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. The list of neutralized targets includes the command post of a battalion from the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson region, provisional bases of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade near Arkhangelskoye in Kherson region, the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Dvorechная and Kutkovka in Kharkov region, as well as training base of the 9th Regiment of the National Guard of Ukraine in Zaporozhye. 7 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Sadavod in Kharkov region, Kalinovka in Nikolaev region, Zaleznichnoye, Rovnopolye and Obsheye in Zaporozhye region, Kramatorsk and Volnaya Pole in Donetsk People's Republic. One guidance radar of S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shut down 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Olginka, Novopetrykovka, Kirillovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Sadok, Borozenskoye, Staritsa, Shevchenkovka and Osokorovka in Kherson region. 22 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka, Berislav, Vesoloye and Brylovka in Kherson region. Moreover, one Tochka-U ballistic missile has been shot down over Brylovka in Kherson region. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,134 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,281 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 858 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,443 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,126 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.